Hello guys, welcome back to his YouTube channel.
What's poppin'? Hopefully I'm not like a plumber with my butt crack out, but you get the point.
Okay, you is, but it's okay.
I is.
Yeah.
Oh no.
What are you doing now?
So, this when I bought this house, they were supposed to have did this sink. But you know how that go.
Well, it looked like they did the sink.
They did. It was just cheap. So it was very cheap. So we're gonna redo it. We're gonna put actual steel parts. We're gonna actually put putty in there. So this is home ownership 101.
So that's why you was taking?
Yeah. They put like cheap parts in there. So step number one, this ring is way better than that one was. See, look at this shit plastic.
Ew.
Yeah, the job of a plumber has gotta be weird. Yeah.
It's kind of cold in here.
Oh, he got his window open and a fan on. You know what? Listen, the funniest thing is, like, I always could picture I always could picture like when the renters live somewhere, they just turn all the lights on. Turn all the lights on. I already know it. I don't even get mad at it. Let me think. Okay, so this goes like this. So this goes in here, down. I gotta read these instructions. AKA, look at the picture. I'm so smart. So, what you have to do, a lot of people don't do, is clean this part out right here.
Because it gotta be dry.
Yeah, and it gotta be smooth too. So
I just made that up, actually. But if you're gonna put some glue, I don't know, maybe.
So you gotta make it dry like that. Perfect.
Put your fingers. Oh, is that hard? Or is it just cold? Yep. Don't drop it.
Don't drop the soap. Don't drop the soap.
What?
Don't drop the soap. Hey, don't drop the soap. But yeah, man, this is what we be doing, you know. We be getting stuff done. Ain't that right, baby? Hey. Trying to get this right.
You're about to make this video too long.
She got on them damn boots.
Y'all were standing in front of me and I was just back there like, okay.
No damn boots. That's
She's
nice.
still pretty tall.
Yeah, so then you gotta put this on. That and this. So I'm gonna go from the bottom. So, hey. Okay, so I'm wiping off some of this extra. Let me see. I done forgot how this one going there. I think this one went like this or something. See, this is something like that. See, this plastic drain is killing me. Absolutely killing me. Okay. All right, let's go to this side. Mind if I see that light? All right. All right, that's perfect.
What is that called?
Hmm?
What is that called? What is just replaced?
Oh, the sink strainer assembly.
And that's how you replace a sink strainer.
Assembly.
No, like that's how you fix a basket sink strainer. Because the assembly is like the whole thing. Why am I out of focus?
Sometimes if you accidentally touch the
No, it's just sometimes if I put something, like right now it won't focus on you because I have something in front of it. But then if it catches you, you won't focus on what I have in front of it. Gotta wash your hands out. It's important. You cannot leave that stuff in your hands.
My fingers get sliced up every time I do this.
And you gotta wear gloves because if you don't, then you're gonna use hand sanitizer and you're gonna probably see God. That's it.
That's a fact. So until next time, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, something down below, and stay beautiful.